Hi, this is Gene from iPicsmartphone.com. Today I wanted to show you the difference between the OEM quality and the generic quality parts difference. So what I have is iPad aftermarket replacement screen that came with the camera bracket, and the screen itself is already like generic quality, but the part inside is also have some difference. So I brought the original camera bracket just to compare the difference. And in order to test it, I have to apply some heat to it, so you will see what happens to those camera bracket. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna apply just 100-degree air, and if I blow the airs right over the camera bracket, within about 3-4 seconds, you can see that it's already melting, and it just kind of like deforms like that. I mean, I kind of poured it hard, but anyway, it's just super easy to deform with a certain amount of heat. And I'm gonna blow the same air to the original camera bracket, and it is pretty heat resistant. I mean, you can't really see it on the camera, but I can guarantee you that it is a lot more sturdy and it is heat resistant, so the shape is intact throughout the heat. So that means if you have the aftermarket camera bracket and you have a kid playing under the hot sun and all that, it may melt and it may move the camera angle or do something. But then if you have the original, it'll have the camera in place from the start and won't change. So when you're doing the screen replacement, try to move all those small components from the original to the replacement part to keep as much as everything as much as possible. So I highly suggest you do that. And if you have any questions, you can contact us through iPicsmartphone.com or send us a message to YouTube. Thank you. Thanks for watching.